Yeah, it can be seen. I think it started already.
Right.
Good evening, everyone. This is Colin here from Best Homes.
Yeah, Colin.
Hi, Colin. Welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Where is
Nice to see
Colin?
all of you all. I can't put on my video because I have a very bad network.
Okay.
Being on one leg and one hand outside the window. You see me in that position.
Yoga
Hi,
pose.
Diana ma'am. Good evening.
Colin, we can hear you clearly.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm still looking smart.
Thank you. That's why I put this.
So we have just a minute. We have someone called Galaxy J7 Prime. Can I please know who is that? Galaxy J7 Prime. The video is not visible.
Bye, sir. Good evening.
So is there, but it is not adjusted. Galaxy J7 Prime has to adjust the video a little bit up and down.
Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
My sir will have to unmute his video audio.
Me.
Nilesh, how many people have you, participants do you have right now?
Yeah, we
31.
have 31 at the moment.
So I think we can start down within 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, we start now. It's 6:31. We start now.
Yeah.
Good evening. Diana, good evening.
Rajesh, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Rajesh, nice to see you. Audio, your audio is not working.
All right. So all, I mean, most of us maybe know the. I mean, knowing the rules. That I mean, I'll once we start, I'll put everyone on mute mode. Whoever wants to talk, he can unmute himself, and then he can start. Or else, I mean, if there is any question, he can put in chat. The same can be taken over. Arman sir, I think we can start.
Yeah.
I'll put everyone on mute mode, and you can unmute yourself, please.
Okay. So everybody can hear me?
Yes, yes.
You can hear me? Monthly meeting of BCB.
Arman sir, just a second. You were on mute mode, so you have to start again, please.
Okay, okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our second online and our 44th monthly meeting of BCBA, an initiative of Basin Christian Foundation. We actually had 4 online meetings in this lockdown with 2 knowledge sharing sessions, one on 8th April by Sir Prakash Almeida and on 21st April by Sir Sanjay Awale. We have many more such plans which will be announced by Nilesh at the end of the meeting. Today, please do not switch off your phone. Instead, place it in such a fixed position where you could be seen clearly if you are using the video, so it doesn't move around. And before we come to the proceedings, a gentle request to all of you to keep your surroundings on silent mode and then move to a better internet zone. BCBA म्हणजे एक चळवळीचा प्रवास, ख्रिश्चन उद्योजक आणि व्यावसायिकांचा एका स्वप्नाचा, उपलब्ध संसाधनांचा वापर करून आपल्या समुदायासाठी उद्योजकता कौशल्य तयार करणे आणि एकमेकांची वाढ करणे, पारदर्शकता, वचनबद्धता, उत्कृष्टता आणि विश्वास या तत्वांवर. We are delighted to inform you that BCBA is the largest association of Christian business fraternity in Vasai. It has completed 44 months of its existence and today is the 44th uninterrupted business meeting since its launch on September 10, 2016, when it was officially inaugurated with the blessings of the Most Reverend Archbishop Felix Machado. Over the last 43 months, we had 43 formal networking meetings with few site visits. Renowned speakers and experts were invited to educate and enlighten our members on various topics. Crores worth of rupees worth of businesses have been transacted amongst us and between members. We have lots of testimonies on record. Let me tell you the flow of today's meeting. We will start with the prayers, followed by visitors' introduction and welcome, followed by the speaker's introduction. Then our respected speaker, Sir Sampath K. Iyengar, will guide us today on, are you not working or are you networking during the lockdown? After that, we will have a quick round of member introductions, testimonies if any, followed by important announcements, informations. Then we hang on for networking and break at the end for dinner, of course, at everyone's house. So I request our committee member David to start with the prayers.
हे प्रेमळ पित्या, आम्हा वसईतील सर्व ख्रिश्चन व्यावसायिकांना बसिंग ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशनच्या नावाने एकत्रित केल्याबद्दल आम्ही तुझे आभार मानतो. आमच्या असोसिएशनच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना तू दूरदृष्टी आणि कृपा दे. त्यांना आलेल्या संकटावर मात करून सभासदांना चांगल्या तऱ्हेने मार्गदर्शन व प्रेरणा द्यावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा दे. हे प्रभू येशू, तुझ्या नावाने सभासदांनी ख्रिस्ती मूल्यानुसार एकजुटीने एकमेकांसाठी व्यवसाय संधी निर्माण करून मदत करावी व व्यावसायिक समृद्धी बरोबरच आमची आध्यात्मिक प्रगती व्हावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा आम्हास दे. हे पवित्र आत्म्या, आमच्या भावी पिढीतील मुलांना आम्ही आदर्श बनावेत. आमच्या व्यावसायिक कार्याद्वारे वसईची व सर्व सभासदांची उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती व्हावी अशी प्रार्थना आम्ही तुझ्याकडे करतो. हे आमच्या स्वर्गीय बापा, तुझे नाव पवित्र मानले जाओ. तुझे राज्य येवो, जसे स्वर्गात तसे पृथ्वीवरही तुझ्या इच्छेप्रमाणे होवो. आमची दररोजची भाकर तू आज आम्हाला दे. जसे आम्ही आमच्या अपराधकारांना क्षमा करतो, तसेच तू आमच्या अपराधांची क्षमा कर. आम्हाला मोहात पडू देऊ नकोस, पण वाईटापासून आम्हाला सोडव. आमीन.
Thank you, David. I would request Nilesh to introduce the visitors and welcome them.
Today we have about 13 visitors who have registered. I'll just briefly introduce them and they may get an opportunity to introduce themselves at the end of session. So we have Ronnie Fernandez from Novo Consultants. He is into lean business coaching and consulting. We have Dominic Castellano from Star Electronic Concepts. He is into fire security and IT infrastructure. We have Daigo D'Souza from Olaf Engineering and Consultants. They are into clean room and HVAC. We have Aniket D'Souza from Hightech Network, internet service provider. We have Leslie Dorti, is a fruit supplier selling fruits. We have Clive Andandis, Where Next Travels, is a travel planner. We have Inwin A. Joel. He is aspiring business person and at the moment he is a student. We have Archie Colasso from Sapling Coaching Classes. He is into teaching, counseling and motivating young generation. We have Edsel D'Souza from DB Tech. They are into electronic surveillance system, that is CCTV. We have Almeda Robert sir. He is a consultant, investment consultant. We have Oscar Oliver Disa from Fairdeal Properties and Consultancy. They are into real estate, housing, redesigning and Mediclaim. We have Sunil Andandis from Brainware Enterprises. He is into solar and electronics. We have Agnel Cornero. He's a lawyer, and at the moment, currently, is doing his advocacy. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh.
We welcome all these visitors and appreciate their time.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you so much. And welcome once again to all the visitors, and hope in future you will be joining BCBA. I request now Mr. Samson Gomes to introduce our esteemed speaker today.
Hello, hi. Samson Gomes here. Today we have a speaker, Sampath K. Iyengar. He is famous on very different perspectives. I will just nomenclate some 4 to 5 perspectives. He is a founder of Neural Marvin Community Private Limited. Of Neural Marvin, there are 4 distinct fields. One is the Cura Fluence International to be launched. The speaker will tell us more on this. Jam with Sam, a known network group where Sampath is known in market. Here, every month, they have 25 to 30 professionals, entrepreneurs from all walks of life to interact with each other, to learn and to experience in an attempt to eventually help each other grow professionally and personally. Chief Jammer with Sam, a talk show for achievers, now in its 8th year, completed 88 episodes and 170 jammers. This can be viewed on YouTube also. He also has Networking at 9, where many professional mompreneurs, startups, where he gears up them for the business community. And Neural Marvin Community, a group of business owners who have moved from beyond business and now strategize, mentor, and collaborate with each other. Sam also has some points to be told. Chief Energizing Officer, Sam 7 Computers and Networks. Past President, Avenue Chair Digital Media, Rotary International. Principal Aide for District Governor Shashi Kumar Sharma, Rotary District 3141. And Chief Visibility Officer, the Indian Networker. So here we present the Jam with Sam, the jammer for our session today. Sampath, here to you.
Thank you, Samson. Thank you so much. We are proud to have Sampath sir. Sampath sir, over to you.
One second, let me just put my... Yeah, can you hear me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So one of the things, it's a great thing that you guys are taking it to the next level. Most people are just sitting at home and wondering what to do. But it's great that you guys have taken initiative and gone on to Zoom, gone on to communication. Because the main thing we need to do right now is to remain sane, is to communicate with each other. And as business owners, all of us are facing similar challenges, you know. How do you pay your salaries? How do you pay your taxes? What are you going to do? So this becomes a very good forum, you know, for each one of us to interact with each other. So I'll just come to a couple of things on networking. So the first thing is we can't go out and physically meet people right now. So what do? So we try and do our virtual working in terms of digital media. So if you have a LinkedIn profile, if you can have a show of hands. Link file here. Yeah, okay. Apple has got it. So the first thing you need to do on your LinkedIn profile, up to some very old 1946 kind of photo of us, upload a nice photograph. So you can go out to go to a photo studio, anything. You can just go out where the sunlight is, tell your spouse or tell your kids to take a nice headshot of yours. It could be casual, it could be with a shirt, it could be with a suit. So that's the first thing a person sees on a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have a photograph in a LinkedIn profile, I have about 4,000 connections on LinkedIn. I generally do not connect with a person who does not have a proper headshot, because you do not know whether it's a real person or someone just, you know, faking that. Many of us will say, I don't need to network, I don't need to do. So think about this. Somebody may take your name, your email ID and create a fake profile of yours on LinkedIn. So better create that profile before somebody else, you know, takes advantage of that. So number one is your photograph. The second thing is all of us run a business. So LinkedIn has got an option to, you know, work at so-and-so. So when you say worked at so and so or studied at so and so, when you say worked, there's a clickable link over there which goes to your company. So create your company profile on LinkedIn. So there are options which are there which you can maybe file. This can have the features of your company telephone numbers, your company website. Create that. This is the time when you have to do all this stuff. Once you get back to your business, you're going to forget about all this. So this is the time spend even an hour a day doing this. The third thing is you put your company logo, company timings. The third thing is if you've been in LinkedIn for a long time, you have a lot of junk contacts. These people have, maybe just have created some account. It's not visible. They are not active. So when you post on LinkedIn, even these people who are not active, it goes to them, and you lose that kind of a reach. So go and clean up all these contacts of yours. Clean up all these contacts. Some people may, like 3 of the people in my group had passed away. 3 of the people have disabled their LinkedIn profile. So just clean up all these profiles so they have a lean profile. The third thing is each one of you connect with each other. You all are a business network. So connect with each other on LinkedIn. So once you connect with each other, how do you connect with each other? Once you create your LinkedIn profile, send your link to everyone in the group, whoever is part of this group, and everybody connect with each other. Once you connect up with each other, write a post about your industry. I saw people from travel industry, I didn't see anybody from the wine shop or something. That's a very, very important person you need to get part of your network, because he'll be the most wanted person. Wine, fruit seller was there. I love there's a fruit seller. This is a guy who can get a lot of business. Look at somebody, maybe the fruit seller can get into vegetables also. So connect with all these people. Now, each one of you knows your stuff well. You all have been in the industry for so many years. Like I know Raymond since the last almost 15, 16 years. So Raymond is in the coaching industry. He's a legend in the coaching industry. So write a profile, something, what to do. How do you, maybe Raymond can write something about what do you do during the lockdown? The person who's into fruits, the person who's into IT, they can write small things. So now you've posted that thing on LinkedIn. What do you do then? That link of yours, send it to all these same members and tell them to just write, yes, put their opinion on that. And each one of you do it for each other. What happens is each and every one of your people, whoever got those connects, will see this post. And then that post gets so many views. So this is how you do it. So every week or every 15 days, each one of you can write a post up. And this goes viral to all the other connects in your group. So LinkedIn is the place for business owners to be. It is not Facebook. It is not WhatsApp. LinkedIn is your professional connect with the world. And it's not only India you're looking at, you also look at internationally. Because one of the things I'll just share with you later on also about the group I've created is now your business is not only based in Mumbai or based in India, it is also can go international. So you can connect to international, because why? Everybody suddenly has got to learn how to use Zoom. Previously, no, I don't want to go online. I do not know how to use this. Suddenly people are going to use Zoom. And now instead of coming maybe from Vasai to Samsung has been inviting me for the last 1 year. Why don't you come down? But I always have a problem, commuting. Commuting is a big challenge. So today you can communicate with your customers right on Zoom. Because everybody's come 1 hour, or I don't want you to come here for 1 hour. Let's talk on Zoom. Let's connect on Zoom. So that's one of the things you need to do. So that's about LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is one of the major things you guys should be into creating your profile on LinkedIn. Also, the next is WhatsApp. So now many of us have got a normal WhatsApp, and then we get, okay, Rakesh D'Souza says he's got this from 2013. Great, Rakesh. That's a great thing to do. I've been actually on since almost 2009, but then I got literally not activated. And then I reactivated myself a couple of years, because LinkedIn, the interface was very, very horrible. But since the last 2 years after Microsoft has bought LinkedIn, it has become very nice. It's very nice. And please, one thing, please do not post what you post on Facebook or LinkedIn. You got some forward joke or something, please, that's not the place. People will unfriend you. It's a business network. It's a proper business network. No politics, no religion. It's only business stuff which you should post over there. Coming to WhatsApp. Now, many of us have got one WhatsApp number, and everybody keeps on, sending the forwards and doing all that stuff. So I have created 2 WhatsApp. Actually, I have 3 WhatsApp numbers. This is the 3rd number which I have there. So you have 2 networks. Everybody may be having an Airtel network, a Jio network, a Vodafone network. It hardly costs any money now. And especially, I know my engineer stays in Nalasopra, and he's always got a problem of network over there. Whether it's a local land network, the power goes off, or he's got a network in which maybe Vodafone, I heard somebody telling me his one hand is out and one hand is in trying to get the network. Yeah, that happens. So you have another number of yours, which you identify as a business WhatsApp number. So you download business WhatsApp onto your phone and create a business WhatsApp. So what happens in business WhatsApp is you can put all your company details here. This number you can give out to your clients. This number becomes your company number. So in this WhatsApp, you have an option of creating a catalog about your company. So the moment somebody sees your details, he can directly go and see your company details, your whatever you put in your office timings. Automated message can go out, like somebody sends you a message at 9 o'clock at night and sorry, we are not here at this time, we can please contact it. That's an automatic responder which happens in that. So WhatsApp for business can be used for that. Create your catalog of products. Okay, add this number to your website, add this number to your LinkedIn. There is an option to message directly to this WhatsApp from your website. So if you have a website, you know, any of the website developers are part of your group, tell them just to integrate into WhatsApp. So what happens is many times you say send a mail. Na? So person says contact form, the guy puts in a contact form. Half the time that mail, if your website SMTP is not working properly, it doesn't reach you. So create an option over WhatsApp. People want things to be kept very simple. You know, we try and capture all information, but try and keep things very simple. The person clicks on that, he sends a message, it comes to your WhatsApp, you respond back to him. Hi, this is Sergio, how can we help you? So that's like almost instant messaging. And today customer wants, you know, now, I want, you know, my things now. So this is something which will help you. We all have a lot of school, college, you know, all these groups, friends group, which are part of our general, you know, number. And half the time, you know, like I have 3 school groups. I was born and brought up in Dubai. So I have a Dubai school group, which has got 2 batches. I have a St. John Evangelist. I was in St. John Marol. They have 2 batches over there. So imagine people are awake 24/7. People are all over the world. So you'll keep getting messages, you know, people chatting and doing that stuff. Sometimes it interferes with your train of thought. Shift all these conversations onto that business WhatsApp number. And keep that, you know, maybe on mute or something. And maybe once in a way you come and you know, just check what's happening over there. Keep this as your personal number for your office staff or maybe your close contacts on. If somebody puts you on your WhatsApp broadcast list, you know, sending on messages. I mean, sometimes you also have to get good morning messages from some people who are your clients. So you can't tell them to shut up because, you know, that's a guy giving you a lot of business. So sir, when you're sending these messages, please send it to this other number. That's my business WhatsApp. I read it that this is my personal number where we have conversations. Sometimes you need to tell the person that. So create that all those forwards are all going to that group, and then you decide what you want to do this forward, either delete it or, you know, read them later. So this is what you need to do in WhatsApp. These are the 5 things you need to do in WhatsApp. I think it's being recorded so it can be played back later. Facebook. Now everybody's on Facebook. Facebook has become like a kind of dumping ground right now. One more of the things which you need to do in LinkedIn is to create conversations. Most of the time, you're only coming onto LinkedIn just writing something going off. You need to converse with people over there. You need to engage with people. Then people recognize you. They come to your profile. Oh, this guy looks like an interesting person. Let me connect to him. That's how you increase your LinkedIn connections. So the same thing on Facebook is update your personal information. Create your company page. Maybe in the chat, people can write down how many people have created the company page on Facebook. So that's a very important thing to also create a company page on Facebook. If you have a network, so your Basin group has got a network, create a Facebook group inside that. Now what happens is most of the admins, I'm also stand with the danda over there, keep no good morning messages, no promotions in the WhatsApp group because we want to keep it clean. So create a Facebook group which has got all the members part of that. Member can post that. In that, the admin can allow or disallow that post. So if he feels that you're something talking about your business, it goes on that Facebook group over there, and then that remains. That remains over there. So create a Facebook group for that. Facebook is very good for groups. Facebook is right now focusing on groups over there. So, you know, have a Facebook group for your right now your community there. Clean up your friends. Many of us think, you know, we should have like so many friends, but the moment I see somebody having 4,600, 5,000 friends, I generally unfollow that person because I realize that person is only there to broadcast. He's not there to communicate. One of the most important things in all social networks is you need to communicate, converse with people. That's how your conversation starts. So remove friends who are no longer active. There are a lot of people who have discussed to work cleanup on spring cleanup. If you have more than 3,000 friends, yes, it's difficult to every day start with A, B, C, D, and start cleaning that up over there. There's a couple of tips which I have, from LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and these are the kind of things. Yes, there is Instagram. Maybe someone who's into fruits and all, he can write on Instagram. But Instagram is more of visual. Food people, something to deal with visual and all. Yes, Instagram is important. Twitter also is important. So today, when I want news, when I want the latest news happening, I'm on Twitter, and I engage with people. And anybody tweeting nonsense, I just unfollow them. So create a Twitter also, which is important for your business, because when a customer wants to communicate with you, somebody may like Twitter, somebody may like Facebook, somebody may like LinkedIn, somebody may like WhatsApp. Give all those options to the customer, whatever he wants to connect with, and create your presence over there. Now a couple of 3 hot tips I'll give you guys to do. All of us have got contacts on a phone. So what happens when your phone, you lose your phone? So you'll start sending desperate messages, I've lost my contacts, please send me your contacts. So very simple thing is, most of us have got either an Android or an iPhone. If you have an Android iPhone, you use your Google account to log in. Make sure all your contacts are synced on the Google contacts. Okay, so automatically, even if you lose your phone, or suppose you don't have your phone, you're gone abroad, you just log into your Google account from anywhere. There's a Google contacts. You can get all the contacts of people which are synchronized there. So you got all those contacts with you. So suppose you've got 500 contacts, maybe 5,000 contacts. A lot of people have got a lot of contacts. So start with maybe 10 people a day. Send them a message on WhatsApp. Hi, this is Sampath here, or this is Raymond here, or this is Samson here. I was just updating my contact. And is this your contact? Is your contact details correct? So what happens? Number one, the guy realizes, we are nowadays getting messages. I hope you're well. You need any help? Please connect with me. So people know, yeah, boss, I say he's just sending something. But if you have somebody like this sending you, are your details correct? So you'll generally respond to that person. So one day respond, he says, no, my email has changed, my address has changed. I'm doing this. One conversation starts on WhatsApp. And you give him your contact details. Maybe he doesn't have it stored properly, or maybe he has lost his phone. So you're connecting with more than almost 10 people every day. You're getting their contact details and keep syncing it with what. So this is one hot tip which you can do for, checking all your contacts out. Testimonials are very important. So many times we ask for testimonials on LinkedIn, reviews on LinkedIn. So on your Facebook page, you can ask review there. So you Google, automatically that pops up over there. And you are able to identify a business with the location, with all your contact details over there. So Google for Business is also very important. Testimonials. Now, one of the things I've realized is, a lot of families from here and there, from Vasai, Nala Sopra. And I see the kind of things, people have to get into those, train into this. A lot of things are going to change because people are going to be a bit afraid to do that. Look at getting employment from, people who stay there. A person, you may get him at a person who was, asking for a very high salary, now will be ready to go for a slightly lesser salary, but to work nearby. And I think Vasai, Nala Sopra has got a huge amount of industries over there where you can use the local talent who may not want to come back to Mumbai or may not want to work in Mumbai. So that's just a thought which I had. So I'm done. So I hope that was useful, interesting, and I'm open for questions right now.
Much. Thank you for your guidance to our members in these challenging times. We really appreciate your time for us and wish you a grand success for you also in your future projects.
Actually, I just forgot. I just wanted to just talk to you about my, how I changed my business to online. So a lot of, so I ran Jam with Sam for almost 8 years, and suddenly all the hotels have shut down, so you can't do anything. So physical networking stopped. So I got on my group. This is something which you can do for yourself also. I got onto my group. So I had about 30 members. I got on about 20 members onto online. We started doing a Zoom call every day, Monday to Friday, discussing about challenges, because everybody's got challenges. And then we started, like what you're doing right now, we started inviting a speaker. right from Monday to Thursday, I have speakers every day at 7 to 8 is so what was I good at? I was good at get speakers. Now I've got speakers from Australia, from US, from all across the world, plus all across India. So this changed. And on Fridays, that's why I said today Friday I'll have to log out at 7 o'clock because I have my member presentations today. So we just touched 46 paid members. We did a very small thing. We realized people are going to have challenges meeting. People are going to have challenges paying a high amount for membership. So let's do something. So we came out with something so reasonable. It's like your Starbucks coffee bill for the month. That is the cost which we gave. And we gave members option. You want, you can attend this meeting. You don't want, you can this. And we started inviting guests. And believe me, we hit 46 members. And this is a total virtual meeting. And people have started doing business online. So this is one big change which happened. And my CA says, people are not issuing bills. You have started issuing bills. You already started getting monetized. So I said, yes, we have to think of different things during this time because we just can't sit and do nothing. I think the lockdown is going to be extended till end of the month. I don't know why. We are going to be in serious problems economically. And I don't think the lockdown is going to help anything because we're still spreading the disease over there. So this is how I changed my business. And so over to you, Haman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this is great going. And we are really proud to have you with us today. Over to members. Nilesh sir, can you unmute anybody who wants to ask a question? Sampath sir is open for questions till time permits. Nilesh, are you there?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm here. I think Raymond sir wanted to say something.
Yeah, Sam answered it. I wanted to know what he's currently doing and he promptly updated it so I didn't have to ask. He read my mind.
All right. All right. So we are open for questions. So members, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. If you want to post that question in chat, I can read it for you. जर कोणाला विचारायचा असेल प्रश्न तर मला फोन करून देखील विचारू शकता. तो प्रश्न मी सॅम सरांना विचारू शकेन इथे.
Okay, can I come in, Nilesh?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. So Sam, can you just elaborate on how we can use groups to stimulate conversations? What's in this group can use whether LinkedIn group or Facebook group to stimulate a conversation and to present themselves as experts.
Okay, so one of the things is it takes a bit of time to present yourself as experts. So most of the time, I've noticed that people only want to talk about themselves. So you need to stimulate the conversation with that person over there. So some person has post on his post over there. So automatically he starts stimulating and you start getting, and thoda, you can maybe make it a bit, the conversation which is there can be a question, not an answer. So how would you do this differently? Or maybe in your groups, the stimulus happens in the WhatsApp groups a lot. If you can take that some groups and go to Facebook or LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you need to create maybe a group, but LinkedIn is not very good at groups. In LinkedIn, you need to go to everyone. There are groups which you can join, but you need to become an expert by yourself. So maybe you put up some post over there and get the conversation going by your member. You send it now. Because you have to literally spoon feed people into talking if you want, your conversations to go forward.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think I have a question.
Yeah, got it.
So, yeah, sir, if till some other questions arises, I want to ask you a simple question.
Yeah.
How have you managed to create the background behind you now? Right now, we can see a background where everything is invisible except you and a lovely background.
So it's there in Zoom. So you get into Zoom and there's a thing called as go into your video camera settings. There's a thing called as virtual background.
Okay.
Inside virtual background, if you're on a laptop, you can directly click on that, go to virtual background, and you've got option of having Golden Gate Bridge. You've got option of having your you have, I think, your Goa ka background beach, which is a video, but your laptop needs to be a bit, at least an i5, at least a 2-year-old good laptop. If you don't have a good laptop, so if you notice my hand sometimes, is like disappearing my hair, there is some problem over there. So that is, you have to remain a bit still. So you get video backgrounds as well as fixed backgrounds. So you can use your PowerPoint. So PowerPoint can be used to create a background. Everybody knows PowerPoint, and you can put your logo of your company there and use that as a virtual background.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Actually, I wanted to see the lovely coffee mug once again, but it disappeared. Just joking, sir.
Acha, now
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I have.
We are new to Zoom.
Hello.
Yeah, who's that? Yeah, who's that?
Nilesh.
Yeah, Nilesh.
Now, as Harman said, the last sentence, we are new to Zoom. So what we see is we have many old members. I mean, old in age, maybe young at heart, but they still feel they want to connect in offline meetings. They find it very uncomfortable on Zoom. They even find it difficult to register themselves. The registration form is very simple. I mean, it may take say 10-20 seconds of yours just to fill the updates. But they find it difficult, and that's where, I mean, they don't come online and attend these meetings. So, I mean, what can you suggest, some few good tips to bring them online? I mean, we are still not clear how to bring them online.
Okay, so one of the things is entertainment brings everyone online. So what you can do is, I'm having a housey today, or there are a lot of people doing this housey, you get that house party, and I'm doing housey. We're going to have an Antakshari online. Maybe, on a Friday night or something, everybody come with your, maybe a glass of mocktail or cocktail and all. We all will do cheers over here. Automatically, people will come in. Now, how did you send me that WhatsApp message? You send me that link. I clicked on that link. I didn't have to know the password, none of the details. And Zoom was already there. I clicked and I joined. So most people so what I have done in my group is I've kept authenticated Zoom accounts only. So authenticate means you need to create a Zoom account. So you maybe have to just pick up the phone, tell that person, okay, this is what you do. Okay, next. So you have to handhold them. And once they get online, they'll be like thrilled. This is something which is, then they'll remember you for the rest of their life. This person helped me do this. Because they also will be looking to connect to their children abroad. They look to connecting to all that, which can be done in that method also. And see, Zoom is not the only thing. Now you're getting Google Meets and all that, but Zoom has become very, very simple and easy to use.
Right. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
Is anybody going to be using any of the things I told them?
Certainly.
Of course.
Yes, except
Definitely.
Instagram and Twitter is new for us. We have to join that.
So I will clean all my LinkedIn unwanted accounts and Facebook also. That's the first thing I will do tomorrow morning. Thanks.
Excellent. Always take action, So any of you want to connect with me, my connection details are there with Samson. Anyone if you wants to connect with me and anything what you want to do, I'm going to come out with a small channel online, helping people to do all the, because there are a lot of challenges, and maybe I'll do something. Anytime you want to WhatsApp me, you want to send me anything, get on the call with me for any help. I'm always available for business entrepreneurs to help them. You have any challenge in your business also, definitely. WhatsApp is the best way to connect with me. And I'll also invite you to, today of course is a member-only meeting. On Monday, the meeting which we have is, he's coming from United States. He's from Silicon Valley. He is one of the he's invested in 4 companies there, which have all exited multi-million dollars of funding. And he's come out with the artificial intelligence product. So he's one of our speakers coming in on Monday. So if anybody's interested in joining that, I mean, I can send a link to Samson and maybe you can do it. But please tell me you're joining, because I have number 1, authenticated Zoom. You have to log into your Zoom account. Second is I have meeting rooms like you have here. And the third thing I have is the password. So I don't want any naughty people to get inside over there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We will share your details. Anybody who will ask us on the BCBA group, it's
absolutely
open, and we will get back to you accordingly.
Sure.
I think, Nilesh, if there are no more questions, we can change and start the infomercials and testimonies section.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'll share the screen and this is the format in which a member will have to introduce themselves. So I mean, at least these three things should be there. And then how can you contribute to other businesses so that you get the business? So we'll start with the working committee first. And then subsequently we'll have members in alphabetical order. So I suggest and request members to be ready, and you can see your name in the list. Meanwhile, Sampath sir, I mean, are you available for?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there. I've got this on right now, and I've got my laptops, and I've got 2 separate Zoom accounts.
All right.
So
Great.
I'll be there on.
Yeah. So we start with Harman sir. Harman sir, you can go ahead and introduce yourself and your business.
It's lockdown, but Harman Homes is open. We sell houses where you can safely be locked down. So feel at home to call me to buy a house, a shop to start your own office, an industrial gala where you can manufacture your own goods. Herman D'Souza for Harman Homes, property consultants and trading. Thank you.
Thank you. Samson, are you here? All right. So myself, Nilesh Manijis, I'm into, from NM Consulting, partnering business care. We are into management consulting for businesses and financial services for individuals. We try to identify the revenue leakage areas by recommending efficient processes and controls. So this is Nilesh Manijis from NM Consulting, partnering business care. David.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Myself, David Dimonte from Giving Best Solution. We do give best solutions for insurance. Then we give best solution for the healthcare sector, especially the surgical steel cookware where you can cook without oil, without water, thereby increasing your immunity power. Same way we do sell also Ayur Shakti brand cold press oil, which is very healthy oil. You can drink it, you can use as a massage, you can use many different types. So anything in, if you want to attain a peace of mind, buy food, your finance, your personality, anything, come to David Dimonte, Giving Best Solutions. Thank you.
Yes, Miranda.
Nilesh, are you unmuting them? I hope they are not on mute.
I think they'll have to unmute themselves now. It would be difficult for me to.
Okay, I unmute.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay, Pius Miranda, Sky Broadband and Miranda.
Please put your video off.
I'm into internet service and real estate mainly. So looking for land in Vasai, whether it is Vasai or outside the farmhouse. You may contact me.
Thank you. I think Acknowledge is not here. We have Abhijit Vaz. Abhijit, are you here?
Thanks a lot, Sampath sir.
Amita Carvalho, Bernard Pereira, I think he is not here. We have Kaji here. Kaji, you can unmute yourself. Colin, you can go ahead, I think.
Yeah, hi. This is Colin over here from D'Souza's Best Homes, real estate marketing consultant for Ashiano Designer Bungalows, located at Papadi, Vasai. I've also, partnered with one of our BCBA Honorable Committee members, Mr. Pius Miranda, in exploring options outside Vasai and to develop bungalow plots in and around Vajreshwari and Wada. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Dennis? Diana, you can go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Diana Satam from Neil Consultancy Services. We are into legal and statutory compliances. We also help in obtaining licenses such as option establishment and contract labor license. I have one more business in the name of Expert Cleans. What do we do? We clean your car at your doorsteps. So right now in this lockdown time, we are not able to give the services, but then
Diana, we lost you.
requires their cars.
Diana, we lost you in between. Diana, we lost you in between.
Diana, video band kar.
Okay.
Second, you can talk of your second business.
Yeah, the second business is Expert Cleans. What do we do? We clean your cars at your doorsteps. So right now in this lockdown period, we are unable to come and clean, but then we have started with sanitizing the cars on calls. If you call us, we can come at your doorsteps and sanitize your car and give. So this is what we have started with. We also do housekeeping and house cleaning services. So in after these lockdowns, if you feel that your house has to be cleaned properly, you can call us. I'm Diana Satam. Please be in touch with me. Thank you.
Thanks, Diana. George De Silva.
Yes, good evening, everyone. I'm George De Silva. My company's name is Gigan Sport Services. I'm a distributor for FMCG products like Jiru Soda, Rio Fusion, and Fruity, and early items like Fruity and Bailey Mineral Water. If you require anything, I'm always there at your service. Thank you.
Thank you, George. Glenn? Glenn, you can go ahead with your action, please. Hello, Glenn Mascarenhas. Gregory, are you here? You can go ahead with your introduction. Okay, Hilary?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I'm Hilary D'Souza. Kaleido Imaging Studio. Photography and videography, anytime, anywhere. We are there. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Hilary. John is not here, I think. John, are you here? John Pinto? Kevin? Linus left. Neil Coutinho? You have to unmute. All right, we can have Neville Gonsalves. Harman sir, can you check if they are unmuting themselves? Because Neville was here, I could see him.
Yeah, I could see even Neil was there.
Yeah, Denitech, my office at Vasai. I'm into the computers, laptops, and CCTV. So, if the computers and CCTV installation, do call me. Once again, Dennis from Denitech Computers. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We can go ahead with Noel.
Yeah, I'll have to love it. I'd love to come to Vasai and enjoy the birds and the chikus over there.
Yeah, thank you, Sampath sir.
Thanks, bye.
Noel sir, just hold on a second.
Yeah.
Noel sir, just hold on a second. Noel sir, just hold a second. Noel,
Yeah.
can you? Dennis,
Yeah.
you have to.
Yes. I
Dennis, yeah, a special Sampath sir for being with us. He has to leave. Some other thing. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sampath sir left already. Okay.
Okay.
He's left.
I think should introduce himself again. We didn't hear him. Noel sir.
Noel Pereira, if you are here, you can go ahead with your introduction. All right, we can go ahead with Onil.
Hello. Good morning. Good evening, friends.
Yes, good evening.
My name is Onil Sikra. We are into manufacturing and fabrication of commercial horticultural equipments. Thank you.
Thanks, Onil. Onil Nunes. Rajesh Rodriguez. Yeah, we have Rajesh Rodriguez here. Raymond, I think. Hello.
So, good evening, friends. When most of my clients my long-term competitively business to identify, lead, and dominate your most sustainable fashion-based niche. So I'm to start a second line of business different from the traditional line and asset.
Yeah, I think there's a problem with my internet at the moment. Roger Tabre. Do we have Roger Daphne, stage managers?
Hello.
Yeah, I think. Satej managers. Or we have Steven D'Souza.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, Steven.
Hi.
You can go ahead.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. This is Steven D'Souza from Weddings and More, and we are into mandap and catering business.
Thank you, Steven. Suresh Lopez. All right, Vijay Dabre. We have Vijay Dabre. तुमचं इंट्रोडक्शन तुम्ही देऊ शकता. Yes, Satish sir, if you are there, you can go ahead with your introduction. I think you have joined again. Satish Menezes. Satish Menezes, if you are here, you can go ahead with your introduction.
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a lockdown period, and each one of us are facing the problem of emotional ups and downs. Since we don't have work and we are thinking about future, these all thoughts are generated. Basically, tomorrow will come, but we have to live today and should be productive and happily. This is Satish Menezes, behavior consultant. Thank you.
Thank you. Vijay Dabre, are you here?
He is not.
All right, we can go back to our visitors. If they are still here around, they can introduce themselves. And we have Ronnie. Ronnie, are you
Good
here?
evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, Ronnie. Good evening.
Hello. Nilesh, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Ronnie.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ronnie Fernandez from Novo Consulting. Business, cash flows, and profits by making their operations more efficient and their people more productive. You could introduce me to business owners in trades seeking growth in their sluggish business or gaining control over their thriving business. Once again, this is Ronnie Fernandez from Novo Consulting, Lean Business Coaching and Consulting. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Thanks, Ronnie. Dominic?
You're welcome.
Good evening. This is Dominic Castellino. Inviting me today, and it was a very nice session conducted by Sampath Iyengar sir, and got to learn quite a lot from it. I represent a company called a Star Electronic Concepts based out of Mulund. We are placed pan India. We are into fire equipments. We manufacture panels as well related to fire. We do a lot of projects in securities, that is CCTV, access control, etc. We are also into building of data centers and IT infrastructure. Thank you, everybody. My ask would be to connect me to architects, interior decorators, turnkey contractors, consultants, project management consultants, dealers, distributors, and exporters who are exporting out of India. Finally, Dominic Castellino from Star Electronic Concepts, protecting life and assets. Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you. Thanks, Dominic. We have Archie here. Archie, are you here? Archie Colasso from Sapling Coaching. We have Edsel D'Souza.
Yes. Good evening, BCDA.
Good evening.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm Edsel D'Souza, and the name of my company is DB Tech. We are into electronic surveillance system that includes CCTV cameras, door systems, time and attendance system, intercom system and fire alarm and burglar alarms. And I would like to thank Bestie for inviting me.
Thank you. Thanks, Etzel. Is Oscar?
Daigo D'Souza, I think was.
Hello.
Nilesh, if I'm
Yes,
not
yes.
mistaken,
Yeah.
Daigo D'Souza.
Yeah, I'm Daigo
Yeah, Daigo.
D'Souza. Nilesh, thank you for inviting me for this session. It was a wonderful session.
Thanks.
My company name is Olaf Engineers and Consultants. We are into setting up pharmaceutical factories, engineering side, air handling systems, dehumidifiers, ducting, piping, and we have doing projects with major big pharmaceutical factories like Cipla and Baxi, Dr. Reddy's, Alkem, and few projects in Africa. So we have our manufacturing unit at Satibli, Vasai. So anything in pharmaceutical engineering side, all of engineers consultant. Thank you.
Thanks, Daigo. Is there anyone from Aniket, Leslie, Clive, Oscar, Sunil, Agnel? All right, Harman sir, I think we can go ahead with the next part of the agenda.
Okay, thank you, Nilesh. I would request Nilesh again you to go ahead and with the some final announcements about BCBA, some future plans, and then we will end the session with Pius Miranda giving the thanks. So over to Nilesh.
All right, thank you, Harman sir, once again. Now we have 2 webinars lined up on next 2 Fridays. पुढच्या शुक्रवारी म्हणजे 15 मे 2020, 15th May 2020, we'll have one webinar on risk of cybercrime, and this will be given by Dr. Harold DeCosta, a very well known personality in this particular field. त्यांनी आतापर्यंत जवळजवळ 4000 च्या आसपास सायबर क्राईमच्या केसेस हँडल केलेल्या आहेत, and he is also training top class bureaucrats. Then on 22nd of May, we'll have a session by Mr. Naveen Gaikwad into various techniques to sharpen your memory. आणि हे थोडंसं एक कॉमेडी सेशन असेल. एकदम इनोव्हेटिव्ह टेक्निक्स आणि गमतीदार टेक्निक्स अशाने कसं आपलं म्हणजे मेमरी आपल्याला शार्पन करता येईल, सो त्या विषयावर ते बोलणार आहेत. मिस्टर नवीन गायकवाड इज इन टू HR consultancy, he's got his own office in Mumbai. So they both will be coming and giving their and sharing their expertise in respective fields. So याचं इन्व्हिटेशन आम्ही उद्यापासून पाठवून देऊ. So and these sessions will be open to all, not only to say Christian members, but open to all members of society, even students or college professors. सगळ्यांसाठी ओपन सेशन्स असतील. Then we are also thinking on the new initiative when we talk to various members की तुम्ही मीटिंगला येत नाहीत, म्हणजे फिजिकल मीटिंग असो की ऑफलाईन मीटिंग असो, सो ते मीटिंगला कधी येऊ शकत नाही कारण त्यांचे जनरल असं आन्सर असतं की दे हॅव गॉट लॉट ऑफ बिझनेस अँड दे डोंट गेट टाइम. And in fact, there are some business opportunities which they are not able to utilize themselves. So they reject kartat the business opportunities. On the other hand, we have some members who are struggling for opportunities. त्यांच्याकडे idle time आहे आणि ते अशा opportunitiesला explore करायच्या तयारीत आहेत, but they don't have those opportunities. So just to bridge that gap, we are trying to do some coordination work. We'll compile all such open opportunities, and this will be disclosed to all the members in monthly meeting. And it will not be disclosed on WhatsApp. It will be discussed only in monthly meeting. And the members, both of them, can take that opportunity in partnership, or it can be transferred to any of the member. So BCBA will not get involved in the final business. BCBA's role will be limited to coordination and passing on the opportunity. The third initiative that we are thinking is that's a brainchild of our member Arman sir. So the initiative Connect. which talks about connecting BCBA with various authorities in Vasai. So be it VVMC or police authorities or I mean, whatever government authorities are available, I mean, are existing in Vasai. So we'll have an official representation to all these authorities, so that whenever any BCBA member is stuck up for anything, so BCBA as an organization may be helpful for its members. So these are various initiatives we have been just thinking, and probably may get shape in a month or so. So we'll give further updates in the monthly meetings, not in webinars. That's it for today's announcements. So I give it back to Arman sir.
Thank you, Dinesh sir. Thank you so much. I request Pius Miranda to proceed with the Thanksgiving. Over to Pius sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank on behalf of BCBA, Mr. Sampath Iyengar, Sam sir, for giving his valuable time and energy and sharing his knowledge to us and making us understand the importance of networking and how to make networking in this pandemic period. Secondly, I would like to thank all the committee members for making this meeting possible during lockdown. Not just this, but there are other meetings also which were possible because of committee members. Dear friends, during this lockdown, we were worried and wondering how to conduct the meetings during lockdown time. But some of committee members, especially Nilesh, Betsy, Malcolm, Samson, David, Herman, who put in a lot of effort and made it possible by adapting new internet-based technology. Thanks once again. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the BCBA members, without whom it wouldn't have been successful. I request once again all the members to attend all the meetings and help and contribute towards BCBA. This is how we can contribute BCBA and make it big. आणि शेवटी देवाचे आभार मानायचे. Thanks Almighty. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pius sir. Thank you for the lovely Thanksgiving. Now we are open for I think 19 participants are already there online.
Yeah.
We can chat and network among ourselves. And if anybody wants to discuss his business with the existing participant here, we can go ahead. Over to all of you. I think we can unmute yourselves and discuss anything.
We can start our breakfast meeting also, like the Dimension group they are conducting.
No, that's not a breakfast meeting. That's a breakout.
Sorry, breakout.
All right. So now we can have informal discussions, informal discussions. Maybe formal discussions are over now. What's your Arman sir?
Yes, Nilesh sir. Yes.
Achha, I just want to ask, was there any internet issue in between from my side?
Yes, there is some internet. I think what you have done is the right thing by closing your video.
Now
but the voice, because you are using that earphone.
Okay.
It is fluctuating. Now what I have done, and I am noticing Pius sir also. Pius sir's mobile, that is what I suggested in the starting. If you fix the mobile phone in a particular position initially, then it gives a clear profile of it, because the mobile phone has to be kept and placed in a fixed location.
Right.
That gives a very clear video if you are there.
Right.
Now I can see Pius sir very clearly.
Good.
Pius, you have to unmute yourself. Pius sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Harman sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Was I clear? Was my audio clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your audio is very clear. Very clear. When you introduce yourself, it was clear.
Okay. Yeah. But only video.
So see, we have three visitors from Mumbai and from Dimensions as well. We have Terence was here. We have Dominic, and we have Ronnie also here. So we just want to see how we can help them. Terence, I'm not sure whether you got an opportunity to introduce.
No, actually, when you were doing the visiting, actually, you missed my. I also told it's okay.
All right. So I mean, since you did not register it, I mean.
Yeah. Correct. I realized that my name was there. That's the reason.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, Terence.
Yeah. So I'll just introduce myself. I have two businesses. One is called Kanchan Kaya. That is actually a social entrepreneurship. When I say a social entrepreneurship, it's an entrepreneurship with a cause. So my entire workforce is visually challenged. And when I say visually challenged, they are by lay terminology, they are all blind people. Technically, they are 80%, 70% blind. But by layman's terminology, they are all blind. So what we do in Kanchan Kaya is we have centers across Bombay. We have 4 centers. And we have breakout into 4 divisions. That is, we do event management, that is foot massage camps across Bombay. We have also done in Vasai Virar Marathon also. Thanks to Nilesh, we have been reaching there also. We do foot massage events for marathons, corporates. We do it for birthday events, exhibitions all across. So that is one thing. And then we have centers which we do dry body massage, oil massage, head massage, all that the centers, and also home visits. So by doing that, what we are doing is how we are empowering the visually challenges. We are helping them to live their life of empowerment, respect in terms of mentally and also financially. So they are not dependent on anybody, they are independent. So when we are supporting them, we are supporting their family members. We are giving them a long-term benefit that they can do all things by themselves. That's the whole approach we are doing. So we are about 15 to 20 members. We have both males and females, and we are doing excellent job, and the society is respecting us and supporting us a lot with that. So that is one business, and second business is I'm into fabrication. It's a 25-year-old business, and then we are located at Andheri East. And we are doing good and that. So my ask for my Kanchan Kaya will be churches, especially senior citizen association all across Bombay, and corporates, and a lot of your events that happen. Unfortunately, now the events may not happen for some few months, but we are really doing good at all these things. So that is my ask, and my gives also. If you want to connect in any exhibitions across in Bombay, we have good connects because we get almost a free stalls across Bombay. So we can accommodate, and also we can brand you across Bombay when we can do a mutual understanding. For example, I can give you, we have done a collaboration with a resort run by also Dimension Catholic in Uttan. So whenever we go to churches, especially to the senior citizens and all that, we promote him, saying that they have a senior citizen home in Uttan, and we collaborate in that phase. So we are selling wherever we go. Well, not 100%. So whenever we talk about a Uttan branch, we also say that they are senior citizen home. It's a very good senior citizen home that we do. So that type of collaboration we do. 1 week back, I was talking to Mr. Anthony Gomes, who must be knowing the Furtado music company all across Bombay and all across India. So he was saying that I will support me. It is the Kanchan Kaya in starting a new branch near Kolaba. That part that's into discussion. I'm just giving example how we collaborate, and in turn, the company will get that benefit that they are giving us a benefit on a social cost. So it's a win-win situation. He is giving us a benefit on a social cost, and we are getting benefit as one more branch in Kolaba, that part of Bombay. That's so beautiful about our collaboration. So we can think on different collaborations like that. So thanks, Nilesh. This is I wanted to speak.
Thank you. Thanks, Terence.
Great. Terence is doing a nice job.
Yes. He is into social enterprise.
I think we can get him connected to Victor Lobo, our member who has got a old age home. Nilesh, remind me later on.
Yeah. Sure. Terence, you can get connected to Herman directly. You can just remind him. Terence got a good opportunity in VVMC marathon. It was there in say December or so.
Okay.
So he could connect, and then he got a good opportunity there.
Dominic sir, I heard Dominic sir mentioning some architects. We have our own Samsung homes with us. We can get connected to Samsung also.
Yeah.
Dominic sir, are you there? Dominic Castellano? I think he's on mute.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm very much there. Thank you, Aman sir.
Yeah,
I will connect with Samsung.
Yes. I heard you mentioning architects.
Yes.
And we have a very, very big, nice, great architect with Samsung Homes, our own founder member. I hope he's there. I don't know. I can see him, but I don't think he's there.
I met him once during the Dimension meetings. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Now, just to give more update, now Terence and our member O'Neill Sequeira, I mean, they also had a discussion, one-to-one meeting, and there could something else coming up. So we have Suresh Lopez here from SturryPack, who has been attending regularly our online meeting. कदाचित पर्सनल मीटिंगला म्हणजे त्यांना कधी जमला नाही, पण हे ऑनलाईन मीटिंग he has been attending regularly.
Okay.
So Suresh Lopez from SturryPack. आहेत का तुम्ही ऑनलाईन?
Oh yes. Hello.
Yes.
Yes sir.
इंट्रोडक्शनला मला वाटते थोडस
नाही मी थोडस नेटवर्क इश्यू आहे त्यामुळे ते मी म्यूटच करून ठेवलेला आणि व्हिडिओ पण ऑफ आहे.
तुमचं इंट्रोडक्शन देऊ शकता ना आपल्याकडे?
We are from SturryPack. Our company is based in Palghar and we are manufacturing of plastic bottles for pharma packaging. Normally, basically, we are our main product is nasal spray bottles, empty bottles for use for nasal spray, and eye drop bottles, sterile eye drop bottles. We are having a clean room facility where we manufacture this type of bottles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Best Homes, Colin, you are still here?
Yeah, I'm very much there.
Yes, Colin.
Yeah.
So tell me, how can we help you?
Basically, now the real estate market, you know how good it is. Herman sir can our position. It's just waiting now. I mean, like for things to get better. It's good that inquiries are coming because our online packages are on. Earlier we used to get around 10-12 inquiries. We're getting around 1 or 2 inquiries.
Okay.
But still something better than nothing.
Yeah.
Only challenge is how do the people come? If they have to come from Bombay, how will they come? Even if the lockdown is over, I don't think the trains will start immediately.
Right.
But
as
I could suggest that in this lockdown period, whatever clientele we had, not even I was not so perfect and organized. So let us focus on getting organized. We can spend some time collecting data of our old clients. So if we are doing last 20 years, we have some client base. So we can connect to them, say hi, hello.
I'm continuously doing.
Yes, that is great. That is what actually is needed. And then I think we should little bit hold on the investor guys, the people who are wanting to invest as this thing, and we should focus on people who really want as the end users, which we use in our business. So end users might still be there who will be looking out for property. So that is the only thing. Wait and watch. Let's see how this lockdown.
All right. Now this is a Galaxy J7 Prime. We can see one picture. पण ते कोण आहेत माहित नाही. त्यांनी त्यांचं नाव पण लिहिलं नाही आणि त्यांना opportunity पण कदाचित मिळाली नसेल introduction साठी. Galaxy J7 Prime. Harman sir, can you see?
No, I can see partly, but I don't know. I can see a pen in his the sir's hand. And the fan there. The camera is also not perfect.
Yeah. Because I sent one message, but then he did not respond. So I'm not sure.
Anyway, you have his number. You can call. I hope you can hear us. Galaxy G7 Prime. त्यांचं नाव येते. त्यांचं नाव डिस्प्लेला Galaxy G7 Prime असं येते.
हाँ, पण माहित असेल. David, you know?
नो अभी दया को बोलना पड़ेगा. दया पता करो.
हाँ.
डेविड गोंसाल्विस वो थे क्या मेरे ख्याल से.
So I will terminate him. I don't know.
No, Nilesh, what happens with so senior people, they are not very comfortable with Zoom. They don't know where to press what button and what way to touch it.
No, I
So
understand.
let us hold it for some time. We will talk to him on personal level later on.
But that is the penalty for not updating himself.
Actually, I hope you will get the phone number at least now of the person.
No, I don't.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to say I had network issue, so I could not hear properly Sampath sir's meeting. So how can I get the details?
Actually, we have recorded. We have recorded it, and we will post it on YouTube and send the link on our main group.
Okay. Because even last time I logged in late for Sheetal madam's, so I could not get the details.
You couldn't hear it?
No, I logged in late. Even for this meeting, I could not hear.
I think you could adjust the volume of the phone. Sometimes that also is, if it is minimum, it's very low. Check the volume of your phone.
No, my phone was okay, but I could not hear properly. It was coming, going. Network issue, I think it was.
Possible.
Okay. George, I'll check if we have that recording. And
George sir, you tell me what is your exact business? And how can we help you? I understand you are into distribution of some soft drinks or something like that.
Yes, it is. Actually, I am more of a distributor line in Bailey mineral water and fruity and Jiru soda, exotic Jiru soda. That all more of a distributorship I do.
Okay. All right.
All those. Rio Fusion drink. That all I.
Okay.
In that.
Okay.
Bailey water, na sir?
Yes, Bailey water.
Bailey water distribution, George sir has in Vasai.
Okay. Daigo, if you are listening, you tell us how can we help you? Unmute.
Yes. We will definitely help George sir. I think,
hello.
George sir, you should draft one. Sorry.
Daigo is talking.
Yeah, Nilesh, I am into pharmaceutical business. We set up pharmaceutical factories in India and in Africa.
Okay.
I see a couple of guys who are into clean rooms. Basically, I have a manufacturing facility at Satibli. We manufacture air handling systems, dehumidifiers, and pharmaceutical equipments.
Okay. All right.
And also we have a vertical for consultancy. If you see my company name, All of Engineers and Consultant.
Right.
So we have consultancy vertical also. We consult who want to set up their factory on their own. Okay. So everything is designed by us and equipment, BOQs, and we guide them, and then they can set up their factories on their own.
All right.
And in Africa and in Middle East, we do projects on turnkey basis. Means except civil they do on the locally there, and except civil, rest everything we do, and they can start the production.
All right. Okay.
So if
Thanks.
anything is there on pharmaceuticals,
okay. Thanks, Daigo. Now, as we discussed about the initiatives, just recently we were discussing with some of the members that they don't attend meetings. So they said they are extremely busy and they had some opportunities for distributorship. two opportunities for distributorship, which they have to give up because they are busy. On the other hand, we have many members who have idle capacity. They are exploring की असं काहीतरी भेटेल का की काहीतरी करू शकू.
See, right now there are some businesses which are down and some businesses which are flourishing. Like I get yesterday I got one inquiry to set up a manufacturing facility for sanitizers and masks and gowns, PPE kits, ventilators. So maybe I may be consulting them to set up this facility. So such kind of opportunities are there. If people are there who are willing to invest, this is, I think, going to last for next 5 years. Because the sanitizers, and this is very easy to manufacture. This is just a mixing process, and you just have to source the raw material and mix it. And there are two types of sanitizer. One is on gel based, one is liquid based.
Right.
So these opportunities are there, and there is a good business in India and in African countries also, because in many African countries I deal with Kenya, Sudan, Nigeria, Tanzania. So there are no manufacturers. So if the price is competitive, people could generate business there also.
All right, all right.
So there are opportunities. We just have to grab it. For this scenario.
Yeah. Gregory Moniz, are you here? Gregory Moniz.
Yes, I'm here.
So for long we are saying who is Galaxy 7J Prime. So it's you.
You should always write Gregory Moniz, your name, which is the brand.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. So
Thank you, Samson.
It's 7:30, and we can close for the day and start our drink probably.
Networking on.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, Josh, sir.
Thank you. Thanks,
Have a good
everyone.
night.
Thanks,
Josh,
everyone.
thank you. Josh, remind me later. I will prepare one write-up about your business, so we can post that those posts in the group.
Yes.
So anybody who can buy your products can get in touch with you.
Definitely. Okay. Thank you.
Those WhatsApp design pages, we have an expert in Malcolm is not there today. So anybody else who is in the group, he will, according to your requirements and your company name, prepare one ad kind of thing, which can be sent on WhatsApp groups of your friends. So anybody will get in touch with you for business.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye. Bye. Yes. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Good night.
Samson,
Good night,
bye.
Kamal sir.
Thanks. Bye.